Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna explain the plus key, which is the new alert slider in your OnePlus 15 phone. So actually, this is a replacement for the alert slider. They have removed the classic 3-position alert slider in favor of the plus key. According to the OnePlus official website, the plus key brings more flexibility than just switching sound profiles. This is a physical button, which is right here, not a slider, and we can configure what happens on different presses: single press, long press, etc. Some of the actions, possible actions, for example, change sound profile, ring, vibrate silent, take a screenshot, turn on flashlight, record audio, etc. The plus key is closely tied to the OnePlus AI ambitions. It's because here we do have something called the plus mind. The default behavior is to trigger this AI plus mind, which is the feature that captures on-screen content, text, images, and info, and saves it to a mind space. This mind space is like a smart, automatically organized repository, which can extract dates, places, events, and more, everything from your screen. You can also access the same function via a 3-finger swipe up gesture, not just the button, but it's not about the plus button, it's more about the mind space. And why did they do that? Actually, what I do feel like subjectively is that it feels like modern action button, more modern action button from the Apple's iPhone action button, and it feels better rather than a simple slider on the previous OnePlus phones. Apart from that, we do have here customizability, where users can remap the key to their own preferred actions. For example, like I previously mentioned, the screenshot or any other. Here it can make you feel more integrated with AI, like this plus mind, this mind space, etc., because it's defaultly set, and more versatility. Unlike the slider, which only handled sound profiles, the plus key supports a wider range of actions, both system level and AI assisted. And up to me, the drawbacks, criticism, and risks is that here they have lots of tactile feedback. Some long-time OnePlus users may miss the tactile feel of the alert slider. Here they have limited customization. While it's customizable, third-party remapping seems limited. For example, some users report Tasker or Button Mapper can't reliably detect plus key presses. And as I can see here, they don't have something called shortcuts like in iPhones, and we can set it to our own preferences, which is actually a shame. And we can accidentally press this button. It's actually a risk. And actually, that's it for this video. We don't have any other philosophy in this button. This is just another programmable button, in my subjective opinion, copied from iPhone. Goodbye and have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.